Hey guys, it's Southern Beard back with y'all for another unboxing today. Hope everybody's having a great day, and let's jump right into it. This one is from the Gentleman's Lounge Grooming Company. So, cool box. Got hashtag the Gent Lounge. So that's cool. So let's get into this. Alright. Got the cool, I think this is like eco-friendly packing. Cool little card. Oh, okay. A little handwritten letter. Cheers, the Gentleman's Lounge. Cheers at the Gentleman's Lounge. We appreciate all our customers and want to make your voice heard. Simply follow these steps below and you'll have a chance to feature on our social media pages. Yeah, blah blah blah. Okay, that's cool. So it says, thank you so much for trying us out. Tan Travel. Travel is a perfect fall scent, so I hope you get some good use out of it this season. Enjoy. Warm regards, Jack Sarenshine. So I hope I pronounced that last name right. Anyway, so good times. So yeah, I got the beard oil Travel. Really like the blue glass they put in it. That's really cool. And this is pretty sharp right here. This is deep conditioning beard butter. So I got some beard butter from them also. Also, all this is the Travel scent. And here's the beard balm. So let's get into this. Try the oil first. 100% natural and handmade with organic ingredients. Natural ingredients are organic, some Chinese's, I don't know, I got no clue. No clue. So, white beeswax, organic shea butter, fragrance, naturally derived. Yeah. Nice yellowish tint. Nice dropper. Nice long dropper. Okay, yeah, this is right up my alley. Very woodsy. Kind of like there's a little bit of orange in it too. Like a woodsy orange peel top of orange peel. I'm getting heavy orange. But it's like a fall orange. Like a like a fall woodsy orange. Nice looking beard balm. Very orangey, like a dried orange peel. And this is the beard butter. Yeah, so it's a nice, like, nice orange fall scent. Not summer, it's got a little bit of maybe some woods in the background. The orange is up front. Let me get my nose in there. Anyway, so far so good. Really like the scent. And hope everybody has a great day, and I'll be back with a more comprehensive review later. Hope y'all have a good one.